Hey there friends, Sculptor Adam here, and I'm going to talk to you about using your imaginations and your hands to build amazing models, figurines, and statuettes of wonder with our creative sculpture class. That's right, you can become the new modern era Michelangelo with your very own amazing creations. Now, creative sculptures have been around for hundreds of years, and you can find them all over the world. From creations such as stucco-coated limestone busts of Nefertiti from ancient Egypt to the large clay terracotta army buried near the tomb of the first emperor of China. Creative sculptures have been an inspiration to the art community, and they are here, there, and everywhere. Now in this class, students will be able to construct various creations, figurines, mosaics, and multimedia sculptures by using various art supplies such as clay, cardboard tubes, jewels, and more. They will also have an opportunity to learn about famous sculptors like Jeffrey Koons, Kenneth Price, and Walter Furlan. So friends, grab those art supplies, release those ideas, and let's carve and model some super awesome fun that can be enjoyed throughout the ages by other artists and sculptors. Because friends, you never know who you can inspire with your very own creative ideas.